Now that we have our sprites in place, we can work on writing the story. The first thing that happened in the story was we clicked on the green flag and the wizard boy walked down the path. So I select the wizard boy sprite, I go to the scripts tab and I choose events. I select when the green flag is clicked, I drag it to the code window and place it. When it's clicked, we want him to walk down the path. So I choose the motion script and we have two options. We have the go to, an x coordinate and y coordinate, and we have the glide to an x coordinate and a y coordinate. We want the wizard boy to start at the position where he is right now. So where is the wizard boy? I see him here, but if I look in the upper right hand corner, there's an icon of the wizard boy and it shows his coordinates. He's currently at x minus 174 and y minus 45. So I will select the go to code and I will connect it to when the flag is clicked. Then I want him to glide to the middle of the path. So I select my wizard boy and I place him in the middle of the path. I look at his coordinates and he's at x 17 and y 32. So I'll connect the glide to the go to and I will put his coordinates of x 17 and of y 32. Now let's test if it works. I'll push the green flag. Perfect! He walks down the path, but he walked really quickly, so I want to change the glide to 2 seconds. Now I'll push the green flag and I will test it. That looks great. The next thing he says is hocus pocus, so I'll go to looks, I will choose the say hello for 2 seconds and I will connect it to the glide. Instead of saying hello, I want him to say hocus pocus, so I select hello, delete the text, and I write hocus pocus. And he'll say that for 2 seconds. So let's test it. Click on the green flag. He walks on the path and he says hocus pocus. Hocus pocus is the signal for when the monkey needs to appear. In order for the monkey to hear the signal, I choose under the events scripts, broadcast a message. Here, I want him to broadcast the message hocus pocus. So I select new message and I write hocus pocus. When he says hocus pocus, it also needs to make a sound. So I will go to the sound scripts. I will choose play a sound. And I will connect it to broadcast. I don't want him to play the sound pop. I want him to play the sound that's like a wizard sound. So I choose the sounds tab. I click on choose a sound from the library and I look at all the different options. The sound that we heard in the sample was the sound zoop. So I'll find zoop. I'll listen to it. Then I select it and I click OK. I go back to my scripts tab and under where it says play sound, instead of pop, I'll change it to zoop. So let's test what we have so far. That's good, but I noticed that there was a big delay from when he said hocus pocus to playing the sound. That's because the computer processes each step one by one. So we can make the sound closer to hocus pocus by placing the broadcast before the say. Let's test it now. That's a bit better. Now I want to make sure that I save my progress, so I go to File, Save Now.